Taking daughter to school.
What are you doing on Wednesday?
I'm taking my daughter to school on Wednesday.
Is it a special day?
Yes, it's her first day at a new school.
That's exciting. I hope she settles in well.
Thanks. She's a little nervous, but I think she'll be fine.
Nurse visit.
When is the nurse coming to see you?
I spoke to the nurse, and she's coming to check my blood pressure at 4 o'clock today.
That's good. Have you been feeling okay?
Mostly, but I just want to make sure everything's fine.
It's always good to check. I hope it all goes well.
Thanks.
Painters decorating the house.
When are the painters coming to decorate the house?
They're coming tomorrow. I phoned them last night to confirm.
That's great. What are they working on first?
The living room and kitchen.
It'll look amazing when it's done.
I can't wait to see the final result.
Going on a date.
What are you doing tomorrow night?
I'm going on a date tomorrow night. My friend asked me out.
That's exciting. Where are you going?
Probably to a nice restaurant in town.
Have fun. I hope it goes well.
Thanks.
Jogging with brother.
What are you doing tomorrow morning?
I'm going jogging with my brother tomorrow morning.
That's a healthy way to start the day.
Yeah, we're trying to do it regularly.
Good for you. Enjoy the run.
Thanks.
Attending a conference.
What are you doing next week?
I'm attending a conference on climate change.
That sounds interesting. Where is it happening?
It's in London. It's a 3-day event.
I hope you learn a lot.
Thanks, I'm looking forward to it.
Cleaning the garage.
What are you doing on Saturday?
I'm cleaning out the garage. It's such a mess.
That sounds like a big job. Do you need help?
If you don't mind, that would be great.
No problem. Let's tackle it together.
Thanks.
Celebrating a birthday.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm celebrating my sister's birthday.
That's wonderful. Are you throwing her a party?
Yes, just a small one with family and friends.
I'm sure she'll love it. Have fun.
Thanks.
Taking a road trip.
What are you doing next weekend?
I'm taking a road trip with some friends.
That sounds exciting. Where are you going?
We're heading to the countryside to explore.
Have a great time. Drive safely.
Thanks.
Babysitting.
What are you doing tomorrow night?
I'm babysitting my neighbour's kids.
That's nice of you. How many kids?
2, and they're full of energy.
Good luck. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, I'll need it.